don't even know what I'm doing, Ethan. I'm just hungry and tired. Peppers and eggs on the Blackstone, one of my family style favorites. This one is perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner. I grew up eating peppers and eggs, so this one brings me back to my childhood. Let me show you how to make these at home for your family. Today we're making peppers and eggs, an Italian-American favorite of mine. It's so simple. Starts off with some bell peppers, or you can use Italian frying peppers, which are a little bit different. Either way, grab yourself your favorite bell peppers, even if it's a tricolor mix, slice them up into thin strips. I'm gonna add a little bit of some sweet white onion, diced up nice and small. Once this is ready, we're going on to the Blackstone on low heat with some extra virgin olive oil. Make sure that you pick up a kind that is labeled for baking or frying. We'll drizzle down a good amount of this, then drop down those peppers and onions. Now into a large mixing bowl, I have some local Lancaster cage-free eggs. We'll crack about 6 for these 3 sandwiches. We'll start to whisk these to get them nice and fluffy, then add a little bit of salt. I'm using Sicilian sea salt, one of my favorites from Cento, some black pepper, give it another mix, and then we'll jump back over to our peppers and onions, tossing them in that oil. You can add more if you want. We just want to make sure that these peppers don't fry for too long. You just want to get them nice and tender. You can use a dome, which will create some steam to help these fry up nice and softly. Now these are exactly how I like them, so we'll drop down our eggs into these peppers and onions, let them gently cook. If your heat is too high, you can cut off 1 or 2 of your burners, letting the eggs cook on residual heat. I love using the Blackstone scraper for moving my eggs along the Blackstone. Right before they are finished, we're gonna grab some Cooper Sharp American cheese, one of my favorites. Let that melt for just a minute or so, and then these are done. Now I've got some Liscio Italian rolls, hard on the outside, chewy and soft on the inside, perfect for this sandwich. We'll load these up, plate them up on our Blackstone cutting board. Now this one I was really excited for because Ethan is here and I assumed he had never had a pepper and egg sandwich.
Well, I've never had a pepper and egg sandwich. You asked if I had pepper and eggs, which I have diced up pepper and put them in eggs. So that's what I thought you were referring to.
But like, did you have one like a really good Italian roll? Because, no. Okay, so the pepper and egg sandwich, which is a really cheap meal, just like any Italian-American meal, which is served either for breakfast, lunch, dinner, because it's super cheap. And, you know, we didn't have a lot of money back in the day, but it also became very famous. I wish this was CJ's show because, I mean, there are quotes from the movie, and you don't know, or you did not know what movie the pepper and egg sandwich became famous from.
It's a TV show, not a movie.
Okay, well, The Sopranos. Now, Ethan, I want you to try these because I'm gonna say you haven't had them the way I make them. It's all about that Italian roll and that Cooper Sharp cheese. So give this one a try. If you have had it, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't, go make it, post a picture, and tag me, Blackstone Betty, tag Blackstone products. I cannot wait to see. Join me for my next family style video. No, recipe in the next video.
You sure?
I'm hungry, Ethan. It's early. I'll see you guys.